Dictionary, increasing FSL vocabulary of deaf kindergarteners. Did you know that only 50% of the entire deaf population in our country are literate in FSL according to DOH in 2018? Therefore, an innovative and inclusive intervention tool is needed to address the language deprivation among our deaf kindergarteners to pursue the DepEd Matatag, Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabansa. For this reason, we aim to address the following questions, focusing to the effectivity of dictionary, increasing FSL vocabulary. For the methodology, this quantitative research utilized pre-test, post-test single subject design, investigate its significant difference employing purposive sampling technique with the predetermined criteria of all clinically diagnosed as deaf-ed kindergarteners of FCES SNED school year 2023-2024. Thus, a total of 13 deaf kindergarteners were participants in this study. For the question number 1, the FSL vocabulary level of participants. The mean score in the pretest was 1.77 and standard deviation was 1.48, while the post-test had 14.92 and 3.62 is the mean and the standard deviation respectively. Singly, the post-test scores were scattered around 20 to 8, which implied that there was an improvement in the performance of the participants after the intervention of dictionary. For the second question, significant difference. The result of two paired-tailed t-value of negative 14.89 and a p-value of less than 0.001, which is less than 0.05 level of significance. This only means that the difference between the post-test and the pre-test is significant. And the answer for the third question, we have these following implications in using dictionary as an intervention in increasing FSL vocabulary of the participants. Grounded from tabulated results after 6 weeks of utilization of dictionary, we hereby give the following recommendations from the school, administrator, speech-language pathologists, therapists, STEM teachers, parents, caregivers, mobile app developers, and future researchers working towards ending the language deprivation among deaf and hard of hearing kindergarteners. And here are the proposed action plan we have developed based on the results of findings of this study for dissemination of our school and district, and hopefully in the division and region wide as well. This has been Rhea Aurora M. Cañete and yours truly, Princess Joy L. Beldos, a dedicated researcher with a heart.